everyone. So we are going to start the demonstration of the product. As we all know that after the lecture, once you have done the lecture in the classroom, एक बार आपने classroom में कोई भी chapter या कोई theory पढ़ा दिया, उसके बाद student has to practice at home. Student has to revise at home. तो ये जो पूरा कंपोनेंट होता है ये एक तरह का सेल्फ स्टडी आप कह सकते हैं. तो इसमें रिवीजन होता है, प्रैक्टिस होती है, स्टूडेंट अपना कस्टमाइज टेस्ट बना सकता है. सारी सेल्फ स्टडी के लिए स्टडी मटेरियल पीडीएफ्स आप लोग भी अपलोड कर सकते हैं. और ये एक डाउट ऐप है जिसमें वो अपने डाउट्स भी पूछ सकता है. अभी ये बीटा वर्जन में. लेट अस स्टार्ट विद रिवीजन. सो यू कैन सेलेक्ट अ सब्जेक्ट, यू कैन सेलेक्ट a topic, and you can select a particular chapter which you want to revise. And from this, what we have done, we have designed these concept notes. Okay, so these concept notes are to the point and visual, so that memorization is faster and long lasting and comprehensive. So the entire chapter is covered completely and student can revise them on their own speed, but this revision is much faster than revising from the book. So once we want to complete this revision, we can bookmark a particular concept where we are not very clear. We can bookmark it, we can revise it again, and this is the area where lot of time is spent for students to revise. So if they can revise, we can reduce the time wastage and we can increase the revision speed, and it can also reduce the backlog. तो जो स्टूडेंट का बैकलॉग हो जाता है वो सारा यहाँ से हम लोग कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. अब जैसे एग्जाम से पहले किसी को ये चैप्टर दोबारा से रिवाइज करना है, so they, instead of going through the entire chapter, they can just go through the bookmarked concepts, and in bookmark concept they can revise them again and again. So it becomes a personalized revision book for every student. And then we are going to practice, which is the main offering of our product. So there is a question recommendation engine which creates questions as per the need of a particular student. So every student gets a different question. So question engine gives different questions for different students. Okay, and the purpose is maximum improvement, so that for every student we get the maximum improvement. Now I will show you how we can. Suppose I select these two chapters, electrostatistics and current electricity. Now you can see here there are all kind of questions: single answer, multiple answer, numerical answer, mains level, advanced level, regular questions, and past year questions. So in past year exams, 85 questions have appeared from this chapter. This is an important chapter. So the student can select according to their choice, and they can start the practice session. And this is how good quality questions will keep coming. They will start from the basics. If your answer is right or wrong, depending on that, you get the answer. Suppose this is the second question, you can skip sometimes, you can attempt, and suppose your answer is wrong, you will get a conceptual hint. You can attempt second time, and if the second answer is also wrong, then you can see the full solution. You can keep practicing, and you can keep doing this practice. You can mark a particular question for revision. You can see this question many times. You can mark it for clarification. Suppose a student does not understand even from solution, then they can discuss with the faculty. Now suppose I am attempting this, my answer is wrong, then based on the question, every question is linked to the right concept. So question, then hint or formula, and then if you are still wrong, then full solution. So student does not have to waste time in looking for hint and solution, because if you are practicing from a printed booklet, then your lot of time is wasted in looking for hint or solution, right? Because so much time is wasted, students don't practice, and when they don't practice, no improvement comes, and if there is no improvement, no result. So the purpose is that printed booklet is lot of time wastage, no analysis and no personalization, same questions for everyone. So if you are giving same questions to everyone, then naturally you are not helping them. So you can end the session whenever you want. You can do the complete analysis. You can see which all questions were wrong. You can see the question, you can see the concept, you can see the error, you can see the question, you can see the concept, you can see the solution, and your entire effort is stored. So if you have practiced a particular session, let's say 20 days back, you can analyze this, you can select the wrong answers, and you can analyze them. This was the question, this was the concept, and this is the solution. So each question is mapped, your entire effort is saved for whole year. You can check your errors in a particular chapter anytime. Okay, and based on this, homework is created every Sunday. So every Sunday homework is created, and different number of questions come. So it is a personalized homework for every student, है ना? हर स्टूडेंट का अलग होमवर्क बनता है, डिफरेंट फॉर ईच स्टूडेंट, क्योंकि हर स्टूडेंट की नीड अलग होती है, हर स्टूडेंट की मिस्टेक्स अलग होती हैं, है ना? बिकॉज एवरी स्टूडेंट हैज different needs, different gaps, and different errors, and therefore you have to select the level also very different. So different level of questions. You cannot give same homework to everyone. तो स्टूडेंट अपना प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं, उसकी प्रैक्टिस के बेसिस पे उसका होमवर्क बनेगा, और हर स्टूडेंट को डिफरेंट होमवर्क मिलेगा. नाउ जब आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं तो कुछ क्वेश्चंस आप मार्क कर देते हैं कि इनको एग्जाम से पहले दोबारा देखेंगे, है ना? तो यहाँ पर आप ऐसे क्वेश्चंस का रिवीजन मल्टीपल टाइम्स कर सकते हैं कि ये वाला क्वेश्चन मेरे को अच्छा लगा था और इसमें इस तरीके का फॉर्मूला लगना था और ये सॉल्यूशन था. तो आपकी जो मेहनत है वो स्टोर्ड है. एज ए स्टूडेंट यू आर एबल टू स्टोर द एंटायर एफर्ट, and you can revise these important questions again and again, so that in the exam you don't make the same error. The next is test. You can take NTA format test, or a student can also take a quick test of 30 minutes. They can select the level themselves. So they can select easy level, medium level, difficult level. Then they can select their topic, chapters as per their requirement. If they want to take 4-5 chapters, 30-minute medium level test, they can take that. They can take difficult level test, they can take 1 hour test, 2 hour test, depending on their interest they can take test. And you can also create your own test. So if a coaching owner or a school owner or an individual teacher, they want to create their own test, they can create their own test also. Now we have also uploaded some documents जो बच्चों के लिए बोर्ड के एग्जाम में हेल्प करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल चैप्टर नोट्स आर देयर, सॉल्व एग्जांपल्स आर देयर, important questions are there, and they are in the form of PDFs. So you can download them and you can study anytime, right? So what we have created a complete solution for revision, practice, test, study material, and then homework, and then revise difficult questions, and you can ask doubts on our app. Okay, but this is still in beta phase. It will go live in July. So this is the entire product. On the dashboard, algorithms automatically tell you, okay, this is the overall analysis. You can see the accuracy booster. These are the assignments. You can take a test also. Thank you. So if you have any doubts, please ask us. Thank you very much.